In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get voice chat on Roblox mobile with your phone number. The first thing you want to do is click More, then go down to Settings, then you want to go to Privacy and Content Maturity. Then you want to go to Communication, then Voice Chat. If you don't see voice chat and you want to turn it on, you will need to verify your phone number. And depending on where you are located, you might even need to use ID. But if you're only going to use your phone number, go out of this, then go to Settings, go click Account Info, and then you want to click this and then put your phone number. Once you put your phone number, you will receive a SMS, type in the code, and then click Continue. Once you have verified that, you might want to verify your email address, and then in about 10 days, you will get voice chat. So check periodically on Roblox and continue to go into Privacy and Content Maturity, go to Communication and Voice Chat. And then once it's on, just click Enable Microphone. If this video helped you, subscribe.